I chose the state of Florida. On March 3rd, 1845, it was added to the Union. Its current population this year, in 2018, is 21.31 million. Florida's most agriculture product is oranges, and the state also leads the nation in the production of sugarcane. In my Desmos graph, I plugged in my x-axis 2010 to 2017. In my y-axis, I plugged in the numbers of people who lived in Florida. Then I put my equation, which was y1 squiggly line, abx to the 1 power. Then I put my equation of best fit, which was y equals a, in parentheses, y plus b to the x power, where y equals population, a equals starting population, b equals yearly growth rate, and x equals the number of years. Since y equals the population and we don't know that yet, we do nothing to y. Florida started at a population of 34,730 million people, so we would put 34,730 in our a, then in parentheses we would put 1 plus 0.0156 since our yearly growth rate was 1.56%. Then we put in 10, 20, or 30 for our x value, and we would get our population for next 10, 20, and 30 years from now. 10 years from now, it would be 20.61 million. 20 years from now, it would be 21.185 million. And 30 years from now, it would be 21.78 million. I think the population had changed in this way because of the state's taxes and weather. In Florida, there is no income tax, and real estate taxes are lower where they live. This might be the main reason Florida's population is increasing. Another main reason people might be moving to Florida is because of its weather, which is green mostly all year. Because of Florida's growth, I think there would have to be more space so that people would have a place to live in. And in order for that to happen, buildings would have to be torn down. 3 things I learned from this project was that Florida's population is getting bigger and bigger throughout the years. It's one of the 4 highest states population, and the day the state of Florida was added to the Union.